What's going on, guys? It's Garrett Fields of Nelson Financial Planning here. So today I want to talk about something a little more personal. I was born in 1994, which means I'm a millennial. And for those of you that know me, know that I'm slightly on the more competitive side. And for those of you that don't know me, well, now you know. Which is why I was slightly angered, more infuriated, whenever I read this. We as a group are losing. Let's jump right into the numbers and I'll explain. I was reading financial articles because that's what I do when I came across this. Millennials only hold 3% of the total US wealth, and that's a shockingly small sliver of what the baby boomers had at their age. So I kept reading, thinking, we can't be losing by that much, can we? But then I read this. Not only are we losing, we're getting absolutely crushed. At the same age, the boomers had 7 times the wealth that we had. To be honest, guys, that's pretty unacceptable. So what should we do? What's the problem? And how do we catch up? The main problem is millennials are investing their money into cash and savings accounts. This means that we are getting a much lower rate of return than we should be getting. Let's take a look and see how much we're missing out on. Here's a chart showing what millennials are missing out on. This chart assumes that millennials are taking 15% of their pay and shows what would happen over 40 years if they invested into different asset classes from the ages of 25 to 65. You can see that millennials would have just over $4.5 million at the age of 65 if they invested in the stock market versus just over $1 million if they went into a savings account and just over $500,000 if they left it in cash. We may be losing to the boomers, but there's something more important going on here. And coming from me, that's saying a lot. We're losing to ourselves. By actively investing in savings accounts and cash, we're robbing ourselves of our own retirement. But it's not too late. We can still turn it around. We just need to strategically invest in the market. So if you want to get invested in the market, but aren't sure how to, or don't know what stocks to pick, feel free to slide into our DMs, shoot me an email, or give us a call at 407-629-6477, or schedule a free consultation with a certified financial fiduciary. We're always here to help. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and invest consistently.